Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to log in to Coinkit. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Coinkit application from your app drawer, and in the sign in area, you will need to go ahead and enter your email and password to log into your existing account. Go ahead and type in your email address in the first text box and type in your correct password for your account on the next field. If you don't remember your password, tap on the Forgot Your Password link and follow through the password reset process. Finally, after filling in your details, tap on Login and you will be able to log into your Coinkit account. So that's it for today. This is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.